by default, Maya's grid looks like this. Each one of these little squares is 1 unit or a centimetre, which means the grid is 12 centimetres by 12 centimetres. If you want to change the grid and make it a bit bigger, all you have to do is go up to the selection menu at the top, go to display, then you can either shift click on grid or click on the box on the right. That'll bring up your grid options menu. From here, you have all the settings that you can play with. In the grid options, you have your length and width, which is the total length from the center, the origin point, so the 0, 0. The grid lines every, so you can set how far you want the grid lines apart, and then you can further subdivide those grid lines even further. Set these up to however you like. Change the colour of the axes. This is what I like to run. 1,000 units, which is 10 meters, 100 for the grid lines, and then subdivide the grid lines that have enough for. Once you're done editing your grid settings, just go down to applying colours, click it, and then zoom out with the scroll wheel. And then you have your grid edited. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 meters. And each of the little grids are divided into 4. Perfect.